Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, there is no harm if one of the two parties takes debt and the other takes goods and settle their affairs. If one person becomes insolvent, he does have a right to demand from the other. Hazrat Wahab bin Kaysan narrates that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, my father passed away and he was in debt. I offered the creditors to take the fruit hanging on the trees, but they refused, for they assessed it less than the value of the debt. I went to the Prophet ﷺ and mentioned it to him. He ﷺ said, pick the fruit and heaped it up where dates are kept to dry. I then intimated Allah's Apostle ﷺ, and he came accompanied by Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. He sat on it and blazed it. Then he ﷺ said, summon your creditors. So I gave them their full right, leaving no debt of their on my father. Rather, I paid off all the debt, and 13 wasaqs, 3,120 kilograms of dates were left, out of which there were 7 wasaq, 1,680 kilograms of ajwa dates, and 6 wasaqs, 1,440 kilograms of lawn dates, or 6 wasaq of ajwa and 7 wasaqs of lawn dates. So when I met Allah's Apostle ﷺ at the time of Maghrib and told him this fact, he ﷺ laughed and said, go and inform Abu Bakr and Umar. Both said, we knew it at the time when Allah's Apostle ﷺ supplicated that something will soon happen. Hisham said, Wahab has reported the Asr prayer from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu. Moreover, he did not mention Hazrat Abu Bakr and the Prophet's laugh. Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah said, my father left a debt of 30 wasaqs. Ibn Ishaq said, Wahab has reported the Zohar prayer from Hazrat Jabir. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2709.